I'll be honest, it's rare that I showcase a property that doesn't have a view of the ocean, city, or something. Usually that's a deal breaker for me. But every now and then, a home comes along that's so crazy in its execution, the views become irrelevant. Welcome to the estate in Tewantin. Now, before we even step inside, you need to understand why this is a unicorn. Noosa Council regulations now cap builds in this zone at 500 square metres. This residence, it's 629. Because it was finished just in time, it's officially unrepeatable. You're now looking at a piece of architectural history that literally cannot be built again. Located just 11 minutes from Noosa Main Beach, this isn't a suburban block, it's a sanctuary. Designed by Robertson Architects and brought to life by Chris Smith Constructions, the layout is a masterclass in pavilion living. Instead of one giant box, the home is a series of private wings centered around a tranquil watercourt. It's designed to breathe. You've got soaring ceilings, glass for days, and a seamless flow where the living picture windows do better than any artwork could. The main pavilion is the heartbeat, where the kitchen and dining areas serve as a hub of high-end culinary tech. We're talking Miele, pit gas cooktops, and even a Hoshizaki ice maker. If you're a fan of functional luxury, this is the gold standard. The master suite feels less like a bedroom and more like a high-end boutique hotel. You have floor-to-ceiling glass walls that blur the line between your pillow and the gardens outside. The ensuite is completely glassless, featuring a freestanding soaking tub and bespoke cabinetry that would look right at home in a Bond Street showroom. And because of that pavilion design, your guests get the same treatment. The guest wings are completely secluded, ensuring that anyone staying here feels less like a visitor and more like they've checked into a private resort. Stepping outside, the estate only gets more ridiculous. This is a 25-metre pool. This is one of the largest private residential pools in Queensland. It's the centerpiece of over 3,000 square metres of enclosed recreation space. You've got a dedicated pool house with a wet bar and a multi-purpose room that functions perfectly as a private fitness centre. Surrounded by lush native plants and dwarf mondo grass, the privacy here is absolute. You're in the heart of Noosa's hinterland gateway, but you might as well be the only person on Earth. The estate isn't just pretty, it's smart. It's got future-proof home integration with Control 4 technology, taking care of lighting, security, climate, and even the weather-adaptable irrigation. It's also surprisingly self-sufficient for a home of this scale, with a 15 kilowatt solar system and a massive 100,000 litre bore water storage. It's designed to run efficiently while maintaining those pristine gardens year-round. In a market like Noosa, everyone talks about lifestyle, but few properties actually define it. The estate is a legacy property. It's private, it's high-end, and because of those new council rules, it's truly one of a kind. If you want the Noosa lifestyle without the Noosa crowds, this might just be the best seat in the house. Check the description for more information and let me know in the comments, would you trade a sea breeze for this level of privacy?